Give me that.
It's new for her. Okay.
That is Rusty and Oreo battling away at those guys. Two girls on the pillow. Tumble.
There's no more spots there. There's no more. Oh.
Oh, I'm sorry, that's not a girl. That is Gobi that's over there. See, king of the hill. Yay!
Okay, please don't get that girl wrong. She under him is precisely.
Are they cute or what?
She's the whiner.
Oh, they're pouncing and having fun this evening. What do we have over here? Hi. That's Gobi. There's barbecue. Big Rusty, he's adorable. Look at him go. What a big boy. And that is Zulu. She is a sweetheart. She's very smart. Oreo. Trying to get himself muddy. Oh, check it out. Somebody has a ball. Wow, what do you think of that ball, huh? That is Sarsaparilla. She's figured out the ball is probably going to be her favorite toy. Hi. Okay. Enough of this. Say goodbye.